Hello everyone, welcome to Rahman's Coding. Hope everyone is good and healthy. Today our agenda is to learn how to give anchor link or hyperreference on news or blog websites. Usually what happens when anybody wants to develop their blog website or news website, it is very essential to learn how to give hyperlink, hyperreference or anchor tag so that it can redirect you to the other page, to the next page. This is how in practicality the news website works, that you click on the title and it will redirect you to other page. Okay, so this is our agenda for today, and along with that we will learn how to use id with anchor tag so that it redirect you to that particular article only. So look, this is not only applicable for news website or blog website. Usually all the web pages and websites work in this particular fashion only, that you click on one particular title and it redirect you. So I will first of all I will show you so that you get more clarity on this. So let's check one of the news website, how it looks like. So if you see here, look, this is the news website. Okay, and if you see, these all are not a full-fledged article. These are only the titles or the first paragraph of those full-fledged articles. So what exactly you are going to do? Suppose you click on this particular title and there's an image of that. If you click on it, it will redirect you to the next page where the full article is there. All right, so let's see how to achieve this in HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So guys, now we will see how to give hyperreference or anchor tag to our news website so that while clicking on title it can redirect you to the other page. So for that you need to open your Visual Studio Code. If you have Atom, you can use that as well. All right, and for this first of all I will show you for some of the file which I have created already. Okay, so for that one, the first file which I have created is you can give name as index.html as well, but since this is in the websites or news sites, on the first page there are trending news, so I have given name as trending.html. In this one, in the full-fledged page, you can find the title of the article, one or two paragraph of those article relevant, and along with that you will be having a pictures. Okay, and here we will give hyperreference and that will redirect us to the article page. Okay, and over the full-fledged article a person or your reader can read. Okay, along with that I have given one image file. I have saved few images in JPG. Okay, because in Visual Studio Code, what exactly are the elements over here? So from the boilerplate, you can get all these prerequisite. And now the most important thing, if you are working on HTML, it is very for me the best way it should be, when you get into the body tag, you can make a separate class for this separate task. So now I'm going to just show you how to give the anchor link. So for that one, let's create one div. Okay, and here we go, and I will give the class name as different article, and in that class I will give one image as well. Okay, image source, so that it can fetch the image from the folder. So img, this is the folder, and I will give img2, and this is coming up from the image folder, and article. So far so good. Okay, I will close it, and now in the different class. Okay, by the way, I have created for the font size and everything where the main content is there. I've created a separate class for that, because I always want that things will be under my control, and whenever I want to do some necessary changes, I should know where I can exactly, from in which class I need to do the requisite changes. Okay. And font, font, if you want to give, it depends, because I have chosen already font sizes from Google Sheet, okay, which I place in my CSS file. That's it. Otherwise, you no need to, you can just give this different class content name or any name, class name which you want, which is easier for you. No need to do all these things. Okay, totally depend on everything, because here we are not here for designing part or something. We are here to learn how to give hyper references so that it can jump from one page to another page. All right. Okay, so hyper reference, and now the other page where the full article is there. It's on article.html, and the section, that particular article, I have given it a name as like, and then what we will do, we will just write it down. Google has hired 500 employees. This is the title of your article. Okay, we will put it in the h3 tag. Okay, that will be better. h3. Okay, you just type, it will come. Okay, this is it. And it's totally and rest totally depend on you. If you want to give your name or something like that, you can give your name, author Samuel. Okay, and date, if you want to give, you give, totally depend on you. And usually what happen, if you notice, in usually all the news website and blog websites, they write they exactly write one paragraph, on the page, not a full-fledged article, but the paragraph, so that it will give an idea what exactly inside in that article. So whatever you can write, lorem 30. So this is it, all some articles and everything. So just this is, suppose this is an article. Okay, and afterwards let's moving on to our other page, where after clicking on this headline you will jump to the full-fledged article. So for that I will show you. This comes under article.html. okay, and here we go. What we will do exactly, I will give one header tag h5. I'm taking h5. Okay, and I am just taking the same title, because we exactly what our motto is. When a person is clicking on this title, it is redirecting us to this page, correct? All right, so this is it. Now here after h5 I will give you one id. Okay, and I will give you this an id, and this, now we will give this id as a2. If you remember, I have already given this particular id here as well with this hyper reference. The reason behind this, you can look, it can redirect you to article.html page from here as well. But the reason behind giving this particular id, so that suppose there are 50-60 articles in one page, it can redirect you exactly to that particular article. That is the reason with each article we are giving an id. All right, so here we go, and then let's like one paragraph over here, and lorem 30, and here we go. Okay, let's save, and now we will see how exactly it looks like. Okay, so here we go. Look how it looks like, the page, and this is the picture. Okay, and this is the, if you see, this is the title of your article of any news website. All right, and if you click it over here, it will take you to that full-fledged article. Like this is the title of that article. All right, and this is the article. So if you give ID, if suppose there are at the drop down there are 50-60 article, through ID, with the help of ID, you can directly jump into that particular article only. I hope that you like this video. I will appreciate if you subscribe it. Thank you so much. Have a great day ahead.